5. We're seeing the same cracking. Those are two main cracks. The bottom one generally tails down a little bit, kind of right there. The secondary crack here, and then we're still seeing some hairline coming off of there. There's another one up there. That's typical, just like the first frame. This one looks like it's got a little hairline going, like right in there. Here we see a little bit more stadia deterioration. It's mostly this riser. Mostly the south half of it. You got a little bit, obviously there's been water coming through and the construction joint.